Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Minecraft video, where today is part 4 of our survival series, as we're today trying to find some diamonds. And first of all, let's get a bow. That's a smart thing to do. And I see more parts to the mine shaft. You break this, and let's go explore. I don't know what that is. Let's go explore. Still don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Let's go explore. No diamonds. Alright, like I was saying, our objective for the day, I'm sorry, Bat. Our objective for the day is to find some diamonds if we're lucky. Hopefully we are lucky. Find diamonds. No diamonds here. I either want a whole new mine shaft or I thought no diamonds. Or something I could use, cause what do you do? I don't have any stakes, do I? I do have this wooden axe I can just grab with me. Alright, let me just get some sticks. Oh, I can make 4 leathers, sweet. Leathers. Yes, I said that right? Didn't I? Didn't I say that right, guys? Levers? Yeah, I think I did say that right. Sweet. Oh, why did I hit my... I wanna have my sword. Alright, so we're going to try to find diamonds like I said today. Yes. This is... Oh, I only need 4 iron for an anvil. Sweet. This may be the 4 iron I need. And also, may not be, but it is. It's actually 6 iron, but I'll take it. 32 iron. 33. I think you need 31 to make an anvil, because it's 4 just iron ingots, and then it's 3 blocks of iron. So what I could always do... No, I'll need a crafting table for that. So actually, let me see. Here's how you make an anvil. Yeah, you have the 4 iron ingots and then the 3 blocks. Alright, so let's get up to cooking in our furnace right here. I guess we could play the coal game. Coal gaming, I guess, is we'll leave that to it. Let's go find some diamonds. I really want to find diamonds. Like, so bad. I played on my computer earlier this week and I did find diamonds, so it was in a mine shaft as well, so I was kind of happy about that, and I might want to go ahead and check what seed that was so I can do it again. You know, I could always game mode 1 it, but nah, that's cheating. There's my iron. Just back in the mine shaft this is. No, it's not. We need to go the other way. Alright, let's check on our iron. No, I also do want to get gold. That's a good objective as well. Alright, so that's good. It's enough for a block. So I do have 1 block. Yeah. Well, I do have to leave in like 3 minutes, so I think I'm gonna cut the video short. Instead, I made it like 7 minutes. Instead of like the normal 12 minutes of the series. So, there will be a new series. If you did not see in my 3rd episode, there will be a UHC if we get a like. Well, actually, I'm going to end it here. If you guys did enjoy, please do leave a like. Subscribe. If you want to see more content like this. Look at my eyes. I am cutting the video short because I do have to leave in like 5 minutes, so if you guys did enjoy, please do leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. Leave a comment down below saying maybe I want a new series, and I'll do the new series, and I will have a new series. Well, I think I'm gonna move this series to 25 episodes, and then I'm going to go ahead and make season 2 a week later, and just, yeah. And then I'll probably put mods in the season 2. I might just like starting putting mods in like the episode 10. But this is just vanilla Minecraft for now. If you guys did enjoy, like I said, do leave the like and subscribe and comment. UHC is coming out soon too. I will see you guys next time. Bye!